Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the theme style on your Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation, select the Home tab, and then go over to the right side where it says Quick Styles above Drawing. Go ahead and select that, and then you can select from a different style on this list. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.